And what's up, guys? This is Tucker with Smocher. The Motoz, I guess you could call it. I've heard people. I want to just say about her. Jason, I'm gonna talk about the tires. I live next to the highway and cars never stop. You're messing me up. And on that video,
Jeez, you do this.
tires had reformed. Well, what tire I chose, and so stupid.
Wow. I get so far and then mess up.
I want to take a minute, just a second, and talk about her. Jeez! Here comes my dogs. But yeah, jeez. Change it, and Evan and I yeah, if y'all don't mind, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.